This is part 2, so we are in the winter battle. I don't have
Bakit? Sa high school, teenager. This is part lagi ako nakatambay doon sa teleponohan. Tapos nakikita niya, tambay yung tatay ko, malapit yung tambay niya doon. Kasi doon sila umiinom na siya, naninigarilyo ng Philip, tapos nilalagay niya rito sa pool.
We had fun with the negative part 1 and
sinabi niya,
part 1. You guys really enjoyed that. So let's keep it going in this way. I'm finished with my pipeline island.
12 pala ako noon. 12 ka lang noon. 12. Elementary namatay tatay ko, 13 ako eh. Magte-13 years. 12. Kasi nililigaw. 40 years ago. Ayun.
If you want to see more, you just like this, like and subscribe. This is not the end, though. What are you doing? Okay, let's put this armor.
Wala, sumabog yung phone.
Weapon mode
O, tapos sinabi ko, opo tayo.
This is not even pipeline anymore.
Ano lang? Assignment ang pinag-uusapan. Pero niligawan ko siya. Para panindigan ko yung sinabi ko sa tatay ko. Kasi that would make my tatay very
Checkpoint
happy.
gate.
Definite
scam.
Sino pangalan nito? Ano pangalan niya?
Scam.
Ano pangalan niya?
See, it's just machine gun.
Hello po. At diba, lahat ng katabi niya tumatawa, siya yung nakalas na naka-realize siya pala yung tao. Sabi niya,
Bro, I'll have a party in this thing. I don't know what to do. It's too loud. Bye.